Hi folks, so this month's cross team challenge is to row 624 metres, which I hope we'll all agree is short enough that it's manageable. Whether you do it as a warm-up, your main session, or as a cool down, hopefully you can program 624 metres into your monitor on a Concept 2 and take part in the CTC. Now they've changed the website and you now have to re-register if you haven't registered before. So there's a quick video now showing you what to do. First up, you have to go to the website. So search for Inside Indoor or just type in insideindoor.com into the address bar. When you're there, you'll be faced with this splash page. Just exit away. And then you'll find Cross Team Challenge as a menu at the top of the screen. You're going to have to go through the register process. Go for try for free, fill out all of the details, accept the terms of use, and then click try for free, which will give you that handy thank you page. So go back up to Cross Team Challenge at the top of the screen and you'll find a button saying Participate Now. This page also contains a handy frequently asked questions which you might want to scroll through if you want an idea of some of the rules. But when you're ready, click Participate Now and that will take you to the main Cross Team Challenge page. Now you have to set your gender, your weight and your team before you can do anything with this. So if you look up top left, you will see My Profile. Give that a little click. And this is your profile. The first thing to do is set your gender and check the little box if you're a lightweight. And if you look on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see that this is also the page where you're able to connect the ErgZone app, which I really recommend using because it will simplify the whole score entry process. When you're ready, go back to the menu on the left-hand side and click My Team. And this is where you pick the team you want to row for, which I'm hoping you're going to pick RowAlong. Once you've picked it, you'll find a little blurb about the team, and then you can continue to look around the menu to the left. You can check out the standings, your previous efforts, but when you're ready, go up to the challenge option. It takes you back to this page, the current month challenge. So take a look at the top and you'll see what this month's challenge is. Have a sniff around the page and you'll see what the current standings are. And if you're not using the ErgZone app to enter your score, you can see near the top where you add in your own score manually. Now remember, you don't have to do the cross team challenge. This is really just for people that want a little bit of fun and a reason for all of that training. So there's no pressure at all. Take part if you wish. And if you do, good luck.